What?
Emily Elizabeth bathed Clifford in the soup bowl.
In the soup bowl?
Yeah. See that?
Oh.
And Emily Elizabeth's father was eaten in the soup bowl. Isn't that silly?
Mm-hmm.
And Emily Elizabeth didn't know where the Clifford was. Daddy jumped in to the bakery shop. And we saw him. And I saw him. And he jumped all the way. Up, puffed into the cream puff. Goes into the Joey Donuts. And goes up the wedding cake. And went down in the whip. And went down all the way in the whipped cream. Oh my goodness. And we saw a dog. A big dog and a little dog. Clifford and the big dog. And the big dog liked whipped cream. Isn't that silly? Ah. The big dog would